Is your engine running hotter than usual, or is there a coolant leak under your car? These might be signs of a failing water pump. In today's video, we'll go over the key symptoms of a bad water pump so you can address the problem before it gets worse. And while you're here, don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps us bring you more helpful car care videos. Symptom 1. Engine overheating. One of the most obvious signs of a bad water pump is engine overheating. The pump circulates coolant through the engine, and when it fails, the coolant flow is restricted, causing your engine to overheat. Keep an eye on that temperature gauge. HDDs. Symptom 2. Coolant leaks. If you see a puddle of coolant under your car, especially near the front, it could be coming from the water pump. A worn-out seal or gasket is usually the culprit, and ignoring the leak can lead to bigger problems. Symptom 3. Steam coming from the engine. Steam coming from under the hood is a serious warning sign. It means your engine is overheating badly, and a bad water pump could be to blame. Pull over immediately if you see steam and let the engine cool down. Symptom 4. Unusual noises. A failing water pump can produce strange noises like grinding or whining. These sounds usually come from a worn-out bearing or a loose pulley. If you hear this kind of noise, it's time to inspect the pump. Symptom 5. Coolant circulation problems. If the water pump isn't working properly, coolant won't circulate through the system as it should. This can result in cold air from the heater or fluctuating engine temperatures, both of which point to a problem. Symptom 6. Visible corrosion or rust. Take a look at your water pump. If you see rust, corrosion, or buildup on the pump's surface, it's a sign that coolant has been leaking or the pump is failing internally. This can reduce the pump's effectiveness. What causes water pump failure? Water pumps wear out over time due to constant use. Common causes of failure include worn bearings, a broken impeller, or damage from contaminated or old coolant. Regular coolant changes can help extend its lifespan. If the water pump is bad, it needs to be replaced. While it's a straightforward job on some vehicles, others may require more labor due to the pump's location. It's also a good idea to replace the timing belt or serpentine belt if they're connected to the pump. If you're still wondering about something, drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.